Adepoju ó ti pọ́n mọ́ ju kó máa gbé lọ sí court torí pé èyí kò dẹ̀ sún òun náà sí court rí ló ṣe dùn mọ́ mo á ti ká máa kó lọ court fún kó lọ prepare àwọn evidences ẹ̀ lẹ̀ tó wá fi defend ara ẹ̀ mo á rí i pé ó dẹ̀ pé court máa ń dùn máwọn kémi náà gbé lọ́wọ́ kó fìlì tìyẹn kó wọ́n ṣe ń rí lára kájọ fi èṣù pọ̀ tiẹ̀ fúnra wa bí wọ́n tún fìlì tìyẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan á mọ bó ṣe máa ń rí lára Yusuf wàá fìlì ẹ o máa retí o.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu ọ̀gbẹ́ni Jamiu Adegunwa. Ó fi èròǹgbà rẹ̀ hàn sáyé láti wá gbogbo ọ̀nà kí n lè fojú balẹ̀ ẹjọ́. Lẹ́yìn ìpolongo àti ìkéde rẹ̀ yìí, Adegunwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ láti mú ìlérí rẹ̀ ṣẹ. Consequent upon this, Adegunwa by hook or by crook began different moves with a view to get him arrested and sued over frivolous or mischievous issues. In October 2021, Mr. Jamiu Adegunwa, with the help of some disgruntled elements, wrote a petition to the office of the Lagos State Commissioner of Police calling for my arrest and immediate arraignment for threats to his life, blackmail, cyberbullying and stalking. Afọ́jú tó dijú tó ní òun sùn. Ìgbà tí ó sùn ta lórí. Alhamdulillah, their plan failed. These disgruntled elements compelled Monsura Babatunde to write a frivolous petition against me at Force Criminal Investigations Department, Abuja, leading to armed policemen laying siege to my house at around 2 a.m. in the night of 16th of November 2021 with a view to arresting me. Takute tí wọ́n dẹ fún àparò agilintí ló mú. Alhamdulillah, they failed. These disgruntled elements made Herculean efforts again to ensure that our 2-day public lecture at Ilorin never hold. After all their plans and plots to stop the program failed, they gave up. Afupina tó lóun ó pa fìtílà, ara rẹ̀ ni ó pa. Further plans to use the police, the DSS, the palace against that public lecture were to no avail. Alhamdulillah, they woefully failed. These disgruntled elements connived with some police officers in Zone 2, Lagos. In spite of the restraining order from an high court, stormed Oniya Ometa's house, handcuffed him, harassed him, tortured him, brutalized him, humiliated him before he was eventually whisked away to Lagos just over a frivolous petition by Mr. Jamiu Adegunwa. Oniya Ometa was denied access to his family, his friends, his lawyer, even his phones. Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹ̀yìn ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ gorí ìrókò ojú ọdẹ dá. Alhamdulillah, their plot to mischievously arraign him on 22nd of December 2021 also failed. They failed. Furthermore, these disgruntled elements conspired together and put up another frivolous petition against me. This availed the police another opportunity to arrest me during academic 2-day public lecture at Agege, Lagos. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi, nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ ò rẹ́rìn. Ìtàkùn tó ní kẹrin máa wọ́dọ̀ tó ń tẹrin ló ń lọ. Alhamdulillah, they also failed. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi nínú ẹ̀sìn Islam, bí àwọn ẹni bí bá ń ṣèbàjẹ́ tí wọ́n ń tan ara ayé tí wọ́n ń parọ́ fáyé, ẹ ṣáà máa ṣe sùúrù. Ẹ̀yin onísùúrù ni Ọlọ́run wà. Ìdí nìyẹn tí Ọlọ́run ṣe ń wà lẹ́yìn wa. Stay tuned. I will be right back.